G'day guys, what we've got here today is Reece's 1960 Chevy Biscayne. Reece came to us a little while ago with a couple key features that he wanted out of the car and what he wanted to produce. Key points were it has to be on pump 98 fuel and it has to make 1,000 flywheel horsepower. So just some quick history about this car. They were around about 1,100 plus of them built over in the US, and literally only a handful of them were brought over to Australia. And obviously Reece has one of them. He's done a ground up rebuild. Every nut and bolt has been replaced, suspension, diff, interior. He's pretty much done everything. And like I mentioned, we've had the pleasure of building the motor for him. And the way we've gone about, as you can see, it's a 403 cubic inch stroker, cast GM block, and obviously twin Garrett turbos. And we literally made 1,023 horsepower on 15 pound of boost, and obviously pump fuel. A couple key features which made this engine bay, finish it off and made it pretty trick as well, is the solid oil and water lines that we've done on it, and obviously sheet metal manifold, the intercooler intake running through the top. Just basically gave the car that show look that he also wanted, and it's won multiple first place trophies along the way as well for best engine bay.